How's it going, everybody? Rocky here, dealing with a 2015 Suburban AC condenser replacement. Now I was going to start doing it without removing the front bumper. Had started a video and shit. I fucked up on that. But anyway, so I'm going to run through, since I got the bumper off and everything, which didn't take long. What I did, I already put the condenser back in. I'll show you the old condenser. Anyway, let's get started. Start with the old condenser. How about that? So I did a lot of leak. I threw some leak detection in there, UV, and traced everything through the back AC system. No leaks, and I said, well, let me check the condenser. Maybe a rock hitter or something. Anyway, so. You can tell right there it's wet, or it looks discolored right here. So that's where the UV came out. So it shot out from this weld right here. Apparently that's where it comes from, these welds on this dryer. This is the dryer system. So these are locking tabs right here, here, and here. This line is the transmission cooler. This is the passenger side, looking at the vehicle, and that's the AC lines that you need to disconnect. That's the driver's side, transmission line. So you need to take a brace off, and this is this brace right here. And that is covering your radiator all the way right here. And the lights right here, you might be able to get to. I tried. I didn't have my speed wrench. I don't know where the hell it went. But even if I did have it, I don't think I'd be able to get it. It's just a lot easier to take the lights out. So to do that, you have to take the bumper. So the bumper has vertical one that's going up here. I think it's a 7. This one, this one, this one, this one, and that's this right here. Both sides. All right. Now, underneath the bumper, got one here, here, and one horizontal on both sides. All right. And then you got 2 in the middle. Those are 10s. 10, 10, 10. All these are 10s. Top of the grill, you need to take these out. Those are 10s. It has locking tabs on the front bumper right here. You need to pick up on it and slide out. So after you get all the bolts out, stick your hand in there, get a tool, pick tool, whatever, and pick up on it and pull out. This right here is for the lights. If you have fog lights, if you don't, I guess it doesn't matter. That's it right there. Unplug that. Pull the bumper out, and then you want to take the lights out. Now I'm fixing to put the lights. I'm going to put the lights back in, but driver's light. You got 1, 2, 3, and one in the front. 10s. This is the connector on the back of the light. Remove that. It's that easy. Take the lights out. You take the lights out. This support bar. It's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and one in the middle. All right. And then the radiator has 2, one on each side, right there. There is a cover for the top. It's this guy right there. These lock in right there onto these guys right there. And then that radiator support has these two guys right here. It's right there and right here is bolted on top of the support. Right there. Oh, sorry. You have to take that cover off before you do anything with the bumper. And those are just push clips. Take out the air box. That connector, you got screws, 4 of them holding the box in, and that box pulls straight out. Alright. I think that is it. To pull out the radiator, there are clips right here that you push in and pull up on the condenser right there. The other one ain't cut right. I ain't gonna worry about it. But anyway, you push that in and pull up on it. After you get these these guys come out. They're just they're spring loaded, and they have a C-clip in them, if you will. Have these guys right here. Just pull it all the way out, and pull out that line. Make sure you get some new gaskets for down there for the condenser line. Hose. Other than that, everything's backwards. Sorry I'm not showing you exact step by step, but I mean that's pretty much it. Hey, I appreciate it.